Have another one here, which is example 4 of this question. And the example 4 is that we are to express this one and solve it by partial fraction. So I will take this will be 4x squared plus 1 all over x open bracket 2x minus 1 close bracket. This will be equals to a all over the first x here. It will be the same thing as x. Then we have plus the next one. This one, there is square here. So since there's square, definitely that forms a quadratic function. So this will give us b all over 2x minus 1, and then the next one will be plus c all over 2x minus 1 all square. So having gotten this one, what we will do in order to solve this kind of problem is to multiply all through by x open bracket 2x minus 1 close bracket square. So when you multiply this by whole of this, then you are left with 4x squared plus 1 all equals to, you will now come to this place. When you multiply this by this, x will cancel x. So we are left with a open bracket 2x minus 1 square, then plus, when we multiply this by this, then one of this will cancel this. So you are left with bx in bracket 2x minus 1. And then finally, when you multiply this one, definitely you are left with only c. So with this one, we can be able to solve any other problem in this place. So by implication, when x is equals to 1 over 2, when x is 1 over 2, when we put it here, we have 4 open bracket 1 over 2 square plus 1 equals to, when we put 1 over 2 here, it will be 1. So everything here will become 0. That is, let me do it here. 2 open bracket 1 all over 2 minus 1, which is the same thing as what? This will kick out this. We are left at 1 minus 1, which is 0. So it means that this is 0. This is also 0. So by implication, everything here will become 0. We are left with what? C. So now, this one will be 4 times 1 over 4, and then plus 1 equals to c. Therefore, our c will be equals to, this will kick out this. We are left with c to be the same thing as what? As 2. Yes, sorry, do I say 2? Let's look at it closely. Let's look at it closely. Is c really 2? Let's check that closely, please. So this is where it comes. Here supposed to be x, and then here supposed to be x. So if x is here, this will be 1 all over 2. So this is supposed to be over 2. When you cross multiply, it will be times 2, and then our c is equals to 4. So having gotten c, which is equals to 4, then we can proceed with other ones. So other ones, to be able to find others, we will check the coefficients. Like, we'll first of all check coefficient of x squared. From this equation, let me tag this particular one as equation 1. So in this case here, we have coefficient of x squared here is 4. It will be equals to, in this place here, look at this. When you multiply this one, it will be give us what? This will definitely give us a coefficient, right? Let's look at this one together. The coefficient of this, it will be the same thing as 4, because when you square this one, it will give us 4x. Then 4 times this, it will give us 4a. Then having done that one, then plus the next one, looking at this one here, yes, it will be 2b, which are the coefficients of this. That, yeah. So having gotten that one, we divide all through by 2. When you divide all through by 2, we'll have this one to be 2a plus b is equals to 2. We can tag this one as equation 2. So having gotten this particular one, then we can be able to find, recall that in this case, we'll look at the next one for constant. When you look at this constants here, there is no any other one that is constant. So hence, our b is equals to what? 0. So if our b is equals to 0, we substitute here. We will have this one to be the same thing as 2a in plus 0 is equals to 2. Hence, our a is equals to 2 divided by 2, and the answer is what? Is 1. So having gotten this particular one, then we will now go back to the main equation. which is we have integral of 4x squared plus 1 over, we have x open bracket 2x plus 1 in bracket square dx is equals to integral of, I will take it one after the other. Our a is 1, so we substitute it there, so this will be 1 all over x dx, then plus the next one will be integral of 0 over 2x minus 1, then dx, then we have plus the next one there will be integral of 4 over 2x minus 1 all bracket square dx. So this by implication will be equal to the integral of this will be ln x, then definitely you know this will become 0, and if this become 0, then what we will do here is this, excuse me, what we'll do here is this, we'll consider the other one which is just like a function, so which will be plus 4 times 2x minus 1 in bracket to the power of, you know, this will be minus 1, yes, minus 1, right, then all over, sorry please, so now then this is minus 2 plus 1 all over minus 2 plus 1, so our final result will be ln x plus no, so that will be minus, yeah, will be 4 all over 2x minus 1 as our final answer, then plus what, c.